how to fix Roblox an error occurred while starting. If you want to fix an error occurred while starting on your Roblox, then what you need to do is you just need to simply right click on your Windows and go with run. Under run, now you need to simply type percentage local app data percentage and hit the enter. And after that, here you will get the Roblox file. So go and search for Roblox file. Once you search for Roblox, you just need to simply go and delete the Roblox file from right here. And don't worry, because this will only delete the cache files of Roblox. And once you've done that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to move on to the next solution, which is you need to simply open up your Chrome browser. Once you open up your browser, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then go with settings. And under settings here on the left side, you will have privacy and security. Go with it. And under privacy and security, you need to scroll down and go with the site settings, or just go with the third-party cookies. And here you need to delete all of the third-party cookies which you've allowed. Go with see all site data and permissions, and here you need to go with the right side and then go with delete all, or just go with search, and here you need to search for Roblox, and here you can go and delete it and go with delete, and it will be signed out from your browser. So you just need to simply go and again log in. And even this doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do, then you just need to simply search for Roblox, right click on your Roblox, and you need to go with the app settings. Under app settings, you need to scroll down and you need to go with repair. And once you've done with the repair, you need to go with reset, and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is go and uninstall. Once you uninstall your Roblox application, you just need to simply go with your Microsoft Store and again install it. And once you install, you need to log back into your account and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply open up your command prompt and enter some commands. So go with run as administrator, command prompt, and go with yes. And the first command goes like ipconfig space / flush DNS, and then hit the enter. And after that, you just need to simply type exit like this and then hit the enter, and your command prompt will be removed. And now you need to go with restart, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just open up your control panel, search for your control panel, go with it, and here you will have an option of network and internet. Go with network and internet, or network and sharing connection, and just click on the connection that you're using and go with properties. Now under properties, you need to go with internet protocol version, double click on it, and here you need to go and choose use the following DNS server address and go with preferred DNS server. Here you can enter 1.1.1.1, or you can also enter 8.8.8.8, which is the Google server, and you can go with alternate DNS server, which is 1.0.1.0, and then go with apply and OK, and after that you need to restart and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your Roblox error occurred. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.